Hello guys, Montreal. I'm called Success. I've learned a lot of things in Forex beginners academics. Actually, I've learned a lot from break of structure, market structure, Fibonacci, resistance level, support. Actually, I've learned a lot of things. The group is quite great. The group is great. It's great. Actually, at times I trade on demo accounts, and what I see, I can't still believe it. I can't still believe it. It's like magic to me. It's actually a surprise to me. I'm actually flabbergasted. So thank you, Mr. Ali. Thank you very much. So stay tuned. Please follow the group. The group will help you, and your life will change. All what you need is just persistence, consistency, and a belief. Good day.